16th July Current Affairs 2026.
National Security and International Relations.
India-UK Trade Milestone. The Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement, CETA, and the Double Contribution Convention, DCC, officially took effect on 15th July 2026. Global Justice Commemoration. International Justice Day was marked globally on 17th July 2026. The annual event honors the 1998 adoption of the Rome Statute, which served as the foundational framework for establishing the International Criminal Court, ICC.
Economy, trade and corporate moves.
Ban on forced labor imports. India has updated its foreign trade policy through the Ministry of Commerce and Industry to outlaw the import of goods produced via forced labor. The Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT, now holds the authority to investigate and block these products, aligning India with similar frameworks in the US, Canada, and the EU. Raghuram Rajan joins US Fed panel. The US Federal Reserve has appointed former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan to its newly formed Balance Sheet Policy Task Force. He joins a 5-member committee assembled by Fed Chairman Kevin Warsh to help guide future monetary policies and manage global inflation. J&K Bank Leadership Transition. The board of Jammu and Kashmir Bank has named Rakesh Magutra as its new Chief Compliance Officer, CCO, and Group Compliance Officer, GCO, for a 3-year term, succeeding peer Masood Ahmed.
Consumer services and healthcare.
On-demand LPG via Swiggy Instamart. Swiggy Instamart partnered with Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL, to deliver 5 kilograms and 10 kilograms, HP Navya, gas cylinders directly to consumers. The service requires no prior gas connection or address proof and is currently running as a pilot project in Bengaluru. Ayurvedic Surgery Conference. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated Sushrutam 2026 at the All India Institute of Ayurveda, AIIA, in New Delhi. The 3-day international summit marks the birth anniversary of Acharya Sushruta and aims to integrate surgical practices within Ayurveda. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe for daily current affairs.